Welcome to my smart home. On our Smart Home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your LG TV with Alexa is quite easy and can make your life more convenient. The first step is to check if your LG TV is compatible with Alexa. Generally, LG Smart TVs produced after 2019 support Alexa. If your TV is Alexa compatible, you will need both the LG ThinQ app and the Amazon Alexa app to set up the integration. First, download the LG ThinQ app and add your TV to the app. Ensure that your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Then open the Amazon Alexa app and activate the LG ThinQ skill. By linking your LG account with your Amazon Alexa account, you will introduce your TV to Alexa. Once the connection is established, give Alexa the command "Discover Devices" to find your TV. After Alexa finds your LG TV, you can start controlling it with voice commands. For example, you can say, "Alexa, turn on the TV," or "Alexa, turn down the volume." You can also give commands to change HDMI inputs or turn off the TV. With this integration, you can control your TV without using your hands, simply with your voice, making your home automation smarter and more comfortable. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.